Hi, I'm Premchander working at Fiverr as UI UX designer. After joining Divine Healing and Consciousness program, I've learned focus on one thing and how to solve a day-to-day problem by using a particular thing and make it success. And I've also learned how to attention to listening skill, how to listen like a pro or how to listen like a leader. I've also learned three major skills that I have improved after joining Noble Transformation App. And the skills are motivation, consistency, and then productivity. And first one, the motivation. Naturally I'm a low self-confidence guy. Noble says me to do meditation every day and listen stage stickers every day. After that, I clearly says that I am a 99% self-confident guy and a self-motivated too. The second one was consistency. After doing meditation and consistently hearing secrets, I have learned a skills called consistency by doing doing things correctly. And the third one was productivity. I am enough. I think that I am enough with the productivity. I have some errors, and I am sorting out of this. Thank you.